Do you have a minute? Follow me. I work in the design office. I contribute my expertise to the teams who repair vital aircraft engine parts. All our repair methods are calibrated for high performance, quality, cost and lead times. In our business, there is no room for non-conformity and approximation. Latest generation engine parts demand excellence and drive us to continually develop new processes. We are investing in cutting-edge technology all the time to improve our processes and deliver that excellence. For an aircraft operator, it's essential to control cost of ownership. As an airline MRO, we are well aware that repairing rather than replacing, whenever possible, contributes to durability. For me, there is nothing science fiction about lasers, thermal plasma or high-velocity metal spray coating. It's what I deal in every day.